insert one record using set. So in existing data, I just want to add some observation. So for example, you can see the demo data available in my work library. So I will add few more observation in this demo data. So we'll write the program. Proc SQL, insert into which data? Demo data, set. You can see I have few variable. So name, I want to add new name as a Poonam. And another variable, sex, female. Height, .05. Weight 80. And quit. Now we will see. Can you see this last one? Earlier it was 19 observation, now it is 20 observation. So at last it is added like a Poonam female. So age I have not mentioned, so because of that it is missing. And then height and weight. So if you want to add new record, then you can add by the set. In case you want to add or like you insert multiple record using value. So insert multiple records using values. Okay, so by the set we can add one, right? If we want to add multiple record, then we can use this value. So here proc SQL, insert into which data? Demo data I want to add. Here what I'm doing, I'm just mentioning the variable name. For example, I want to add in name variable, sex variable, height and weight. So values. Here what I'm doing, I'm adding another Poonam and female for sex. Height 23.56, weight 50. Another value just I'm adding values. Nita, male, and 34.12, and height is 56.90. Another value I'm adding, value is Himani, female, sex, height 12.34, weight 45. Now another value I'm adding, values, which is Lena. That again female. And height 34.56. Weight 55. So that's it. Okay. So what I have done, I just added the multiple values. Sorry. Wait. Now you can see that 4 rows were inserted into demo. So you can see Poonam and then female and 23.56, 23.56 and 15. So we'll see like Nita, Himani, Elena, all observation is added in demo data.